Mr. Case here.
No, he's not.
For it. I actually had a meeting with him today to follow up sort of what we talked about last week. Do you mind if I pull up a check?
Shoot himself and tell him he had a sick kid or something, so.
Okay, gotcha. Well, my name is Drew. I'm with ITEC 451 Supply. We are a commercial roofing distributor. And so I didn't get much out of him last meeting. He said he didn't know all too much about what goes into all the flat roofing or commercial roofing side of things. He just knows more about the HR side. The only thing he really did say was that he was a bit short on employees, maybe. Does that sound like something?
Yeah, I mean, we always are.
Yeah.
It's just kind of the nature of it.
Gotcha. Could you tell me a bit about what you do? Like, what's your role?
I'm the city manager.
Okay, gotcha. And I guess what does your day look like on a day-to-day basis?
It changes by the minute.
Yeah,
So
gotcha. So how many people do you have on your crew at the moment?
I guess what crew are we talking?
I guess roofing crews that you send out to do either repairs or full replacements.
Yeah, I mean, we've got a handful of maintenance guys for repairs, but if we're doing replacements, it has to be bid out.
Yep. Okay. Gotcha. You have any projects coming up that any big ones?
There's the city housing building. I think it got hailed out here last summer that we have to get done.
Yeah. I was actually wondering, we had a pretty big storm roll through Lincoln.
Yeah.
A couple summers. Are you still trying to catch up from that?
I think our side's pretty well caught up.
Gotcha.
But
okay, gotcha. I guess what are some of the biggest challenges you face when it comes to like maintenance and roofs in the city?
Just finding quality people to do it.
Okay.
Like I said, if it's something big, it's got to be put out to bid, and it's not really up to me to decide on it. So
yeah, I gotcha. So I guess I have this quote here. It's just some of the roofing materials that we carry. It's not all of them. It's just our line of TPO products that we use. That's for you to keep. It's just sort of like I guess I just put the list together for you.
yeah, I mean, it looks pretty standard.
Yeah, I know, pretty standard. Nothing too crazy. We also do offer EPDM. With these maintenance guys, are they all trained to do?
I wouldn't say that.
Yeah,
it's
just getting by, sort of.
Patch it up as you can.
Gotcha. Well, I would actually love to have some of your maintenance guys into my branch and offer them sort of training. We have some guys over in my branch who know every in and out of I guess the commercial roofing world. I'd love to get them somewhat trained so they're not just putting it together however they think they can best do it. I'd also like you to come so you could see sort of what we're working with and meet my team over there.
I mean, I guess I don't really know what the benefit for us is to do that.
I think it would just you won't have to retouch as many roofs. I mean, you won't have to go back and I guess you won't have to go back and repair roofs that you repaired 1 or 2 summers ago. I mean, if they know how to repair a roof good, I mean, touch it and it'll last for a good amount of time.
Yeah. Getting those guys to do something like that's probably not going to be the easiest thing to do, I guess.
And how come? Jesus.
Just any kind of additional training or something like that.
Yeah.
They're just usually not up for it.
Yeah, not even if it's like a short sort of like maybe 30 minutes to an hour of your guys' time. It'll just be pretty much the basics of how to fundamentally get it on there and get it watertight and whatnot so we don't have any moisture coming up under it.
I guess what are you guys trying to get out of this?
I mean, I would just I heard that you guys were having some staffing issues. I wanted to extend my hand, just say, hey, here's how we can help. Uh, I mean, we do offer lots of products that you guys could also come to us for, but as well as like training and all our service that we add to you guys.
Is what other services other than products and maybe some repair training?
Yeah, I mean, we have like estimators on site, so or at our branch, so they'll I mean, if you guys need a repair, you just tell us how many square it is, we'll measure it out and all the products you need, type up the order for you, and we'll have it set to whatever date. We also deliver as well as roof load it, so we'll load it on the roof. So your product's already up there for your guys when they get there. They don't have to haul it up there or anything like that. And then as far as like extra materials, we offered returns for the same price you bought them, as long as they're not opened or used or anything like that.
I guess like, do you or supply other roofing companies here in town that we should know?
We just have a couple other. I'm new to the commercial industry roofing side of it, so I couldn't give you the full list of all the people we have, but we do supply to a couple others.
Okay. It's like if it's anything more than a repair, we've got our list. We call them up to get a quote, and then they're going to you. So
Gotcha.
I
Yeah.
mean, the list of material from me to come to you with is probably gonna be pretty slim.
Yeah. Exactly.
Sorry, if you give us a good deal on some of that smaller stuff, there might be a spot.
Yeah. I mean, as far as pricing, we operate off a tier-based system. So like we have our level one customers, like I guess just like, or I guess based on how often you do business with us is like what level you'll get. So like levels 1 through 5, they all have their different price values. So I think that's definitely something that we could work out.
What are the like different levels? I mean, how much do you have to spend to be able to move up?
I'm not totally sure on how much the exact numbers. I could get back to you on that because I don't want to give you any, I guess, false information or anything like that. But yeah, I just love to, if you could bring at least a couple of your guys or 1 or 2 of your guys who are maybe more so willing to learn how to put on a flat roof or repair a flat roof correctly. So maybe then they could teach the other guys. I'd love to have them come to our branch.
Is that all you guys do, or the flat roof side, or?
Oh, not entirely. It's mainly flat roofing, but we also offer some residential roofs as well, or steep slope.
Our housing side of it is going to be more just residential
Yeah.
shingles, but any of the city buildings, those are usually more the flat roof side.
Yeah, exactly. We do offer residential roofs as well for steep slope. So, but I'd say it's probably about a 65-35 cut between the two, mainly being flat roof.
Okay. So I guess, what else are you needing from me then?
I mean, just if you would like to bring you and 1 or 2 of your guys to my branch, that sounds like something. If not, I'd like to set up another meeting.
I can talk it over with the guys and see if it's something